Welcome back. Well, if you're looking to get rid of those not so attractive varicose veins, there are plenty of treatment options available. Here to fill us in on all the latest technological advancements is Dr. Van Cheng with the San Diego Vein Institute. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks
Pleasure.
for being with us.
No, thank you very much.
All right, so before we talk about how to get rid of them, talk about how varicose veins are created in the first place.
Varicose veins generally affect a lot of people, and are mainly the main cause is genetics, hereditary, and then with the aging process it also contributes.
And you have some before and after photos of some folks that you've treated.
Right.
You know, if we could take a look at those, you know, just kind of tell us what we might be looking at.
So first of all, these are the very most simple form. This is called telangiectasias, and it first starts off just very small veins that show up on the surface. This is mainly cosmetic, does not really cause symptoms. When you go into the next photo, there should be one of a reticular vein that shows the progressing order of the disease.
Gotcha. Okay.
Well, the reason why my logo, so this is the next phase. This is a reticular vein in which you see the purple veins right beneath the skin, but at this point they're not dilated and they're not protruding out. These, at this point, the veins can cause symptoms such as aching heaviness that most patients tell me about.
Okay. And that's really just an amazing transformation there.
Right.
And
this is the third.
So is this.
Right. This is the third order of veins, and at this point, the symptoms are very progressive, and patients report not being able to sleep at night, actually having a lot of aching and swelling at the end of the day. This is the time when I tell most people they probably should look towards getting treatment.
Wow. And you have a great special. While we take a look at these, you have a great special today for viewers. If they want to call right now, they can get 10% off.
Right. I will offer all patients a free consultation as well as a 10% off any treatment as long as they mention San Diego Living in their phone call. They can also visit my website at SanDiegoVeinInstitute.com, and we have an easy to remember number. It's 760-WHIZ-BOD.
WHIZ-BOD.
Yes.
That's W-H-I-Z-BOD.
Yeah.
Now, you have a video too, right?
Oh, yes, of an actual treatment. And a lot of patients always ask me whether they can see the treatment while it's being done, but I prefer to actually videotape them because I do it with them lying down. And as you can see, as I'm injecting the solution, the vein instantly does collapse.
Okay.
And what you can see here is that once the injection happens, the injection basically kills off the endothelial cells that line the vein. Once that happens, the vein completely collapses in on itself, and as soon as that happens, your body's own cells, the neutrophils, will then absorb the dead vein. This process does take about a month to heal, but at the end of the day, the results really are dramatic.
That really is amazing, and you could see, and that's real time.
That is real time, and it's not doctored in any way. Like I said, I only took this video for a patient that just basically wanted me to show her what it looked like, and she loved it, actually.
That is truly incredible. I mean, they're just disappearing instantly.
Right. Now, like I said, the healing phase, though, they will turn very, very intensely red, and then they go away within about a month's time.
Talk about, you know, some of the reactions that you've gotten from some of your patients.
Yeah.
You know, because, you know, for those to go away, and for, you know, a lot of women and men too.
Right.
And we could talk about that because it does happen to men.
Right.
I mean, they're just very unsightly.
Right. 30 to 50% of women will develop varicose veins, 20 to 30% of men, so it affects both sexes. A lot of people actually tell me that the number one thing they're surprised at is the fact that it doesn't hurt anymore. It doesn't hurt. And that's the best response, because even though cosmetically they love the results, they actually also say that their symptoms go away, and that's the most important thing too.
Gotcha.
Because it really is a lifestyle limiting disease.
Gotcha. All right. Well, Dr. Van Cheng with the San Diego Vein Institute, thank you so much for coming in.
Very much.
Great information.
Thank you.
And, of course, for more information, go to our website, sandiego6.com.